Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue same chapter, keyboard special keys. The first special key is arrow key. There are four arrow keys that helps to move the cursor on the screen. Up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key and right arrow key. Let us see with an example. Here you can see arrow key is being highlighted. The arrow keys are called directional keys. They are used to move the cursor in any direction on the computer screen. If you want to move upward, we will use up arrow key, downward, down arrow key, left arrow key and same way right arrow key. Here the blinking line, this line is called cursor. So it is moving right, down, left side and up side. So this all has been done with the help of arrow keys. The next key is backspace key. The backspace key erases the letters to the left side of the cursor. The backspace key looks like this. The arrow is towards the left side. Let us see with an example. Here the blinking line is called cursor and here I am typing I live in Delhi. Now you can see the spelling of in is incorrect. Now where is the cursor now? It is after the word Delhi. Now I am pressing left arrow key and you can see it is moving. Now I will press backspace key to erase the extra N from the word in. The next key is delete key. The delete key erases the letters to the right side of the cursor. The delete key looks like this. Let us see with an example. Here I am typing I like to eat mangoes. The word mango spelling is incorrect. To correct the spelling, we need to use delete key. Now, to erase a letter G in the sentence, what we need to do is, if I place the cursor between G and O, the right side of cursor is alphabet O and O will be erased. But I want to erase this G. So what I am going to do is, now my cursor is at the end of the word mangoes. I will press arrow key and bring the cursor between these two G and press delete. So one G will be removed. The next key is punctuation key. Punctuation marks are the special symbols that are used while writing a paragraph or a sentence. These symbols bring clarity in a language. Some common punctuation marks are full stop, comma, question mark and exclamation mark. Combination keys. A key that is used in combination with another key for doing particular operation is called combination keys. For example, Shift, Control and Alt key. Shift key. The Shift key is used to type special symbols and punctuation mark present on the upper part of the key. There are two Shift key on the keyboard. Suppose if I want an exclamation mark on the monitor, so I will hold down the Shift key and press the number key 1 and I will get an exclamation mark on the monitor. Shift key is also used to type alphabet in a capital letter when caps lock is turned off. If we press Shift key, you can see all the letters are appear in a capital letters. The next key is Control key. This key is marked as CTRL. It is used in combination with other key to perform certain action. There are two control keys on the keyboard. Control plus Home move the cursor to the top of the document and Control plus N move the cursor to the end of the document. Let us see with an example. Here my cursor is at the end, So I pressed Ctrl plus home, it moves the top of the document, and again when I press Ctrl plus N, it moves the end of the document. The next key is Alt key. Alt key is same as a control key. It is also used with a combination with other key to perform certain action. Example, if we use Alt plus F4, it will close the program. Control plus Alt plus del, that is delete, it will shut down a computer. So this is all about your keyboard. Practice in your computer, and this is the question that you need to write. See you in the next session. Thank you.